Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the formula rank. Here is an example. We have data set containing student's name and marks obtained in Kannada, English and Math subject. The F column is total marks of all the subjects. Based on total marks in F column, we will rank the students accordingly. The students who have scored the highest will be ranked the first, and the person scoring the least will be last. Let us input the formula in column G2 equals to rank open bracket. F2 is the number which is based to identify the ranking. Comma. The reference would be from F2 to F11. We'll log this because this will be constant. To do this, we'll press F4. Third parameter is optional. 0 is for descending, 1 is for ascending. By default, it would be 0 descending, which means it will rank higher if it is bigger than other in the range. Close the bracket. We'll copy the data to the last. So here we get the ranking. Vinay is the number 1 and Raju is the last. Okay, we'll see another example. Let us scroll down a bit. Here is an example. We have result of typing test done for the students. In column C, we have number of errors. Here, who's got the minimum error should be ranked higher. Let us do it. In D18, we'll input the formula equals to rank open bracket C18 comma reference would be C18 to C27 . Lock it using F4. Okay, comma. Here we will use 1, that is ascending. Close the bracket. Copy the formula till end. So Suresh is topper with just 4 errors, and Vinay is the last with 31 errors. That's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Until then,